All right, so before y'all say anything, I know what. Start over. Before y'all say anything and talk trash about my current garage, just know that it's been very cold these last few months and I didn't have any time to clean it up. But guess what? That's why you're here, for me to turn this place into something like this. All right, so stick around and I'll show you how we arrived here and tell you more about the system that I'm using, tell you more about these labels, where you can get them, how you can get them, and how they can improve your life. That may be dramatic, but improve your storage situation that you got going on, because this definitely helped me out to save energy and basically time. So let's go back to cleaning this area up. Do you believe in magic? Look at me. I'm walking with two panic canes, so yeah, magic. Dude just confidently said two panic canes. You can't make this stuff up. All right, guys, so let me show you how I built these shelves. I built them last year and around the summertime. This was prior to me starting my YouTube journey, which I wish I had recorded this and uploaded it. But yeah, when I built this, I basically built it in mind with the measurement of these because these are really what I'm trying to fit on there to maximize storage. This is basically how I built them. I didn't put any posts back here, any 2x4s or whatnot. I just mounted these, the top shelf, directly into the studs in the wall and whatnot. And then I basically did the same for these shelves down here and the one down there as well. With me doing that, it's way more sturdier than I think it would have been with, you know, legs on the other side. I call them legs, 2x4s, whatnot. Yeah, so basically you can see I have a bunch of support in the middle going down that will, you know, provide support for the top, as well as just the structure itself. This is very strong. This can fit about, hold up to about like 10 Fat Alberts. If you know who Fat Albert is, you get it. If not, you're probably too young. Anyways, so I just had an app and I just worked out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and throw these totes upon these shelves, and then I'll show you the app that I use to stay organized. And it's totally free. The app is totally free. You just download it. Only thing you need to buy is some barcodes, some QR codes, which we'll get into later on. But now, for now, let's go ahead and get this stacked up the way I want it. Let's go. This is where I'm gonna put the new labels. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip this around, show this side. And if you're enjoying this video, you know what I'm about to say, the spiel that every YouTuber does. If you want to hit that like button, please, and hit that subscribe button as well, that will be gratefully appreciated. That's not English. Let's see. Let me try again. If you go ahead and hit the subscribe button, at this point, I know you know what I'm trying to say, so just go ahead and do it. I don't know English anymore. All right, guys, so I got all the totes on the shelves. Now I just need to show you guys the labels that I talked about earlier. So let's go over here. Let me show you. Oh, I forgot about this. Sure I did. Just want to show off. Let me show you the thing I created. There was a saw there and now it's a table. Anyways, so this is what I found online after doing some research. It's called a Tote Scan. These labels are what I'm going to put on the totes over there. So let's open it up and test it out for the first time. So these are stickers that we're going to peel off and put on the totes over there. And then in the app, which I have on my phone, which I'm going to show you in a second, that's what we're going to use to assign and label and all that fun stuff, the bin. So let's go. All right, guys, and to utilize the system, you're going to need the app, and the app is called Tote Scan. And just a disclaimer, I'm in no way, shape, or form sponsored by this company. I just saw it and I thought it was a good system and I want to check it out myself. So I already downloaded it on my phone. As you can see here, there's pretty much nothing here. So this is me starting from scratch. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and scan the label, scan a tote scan label. Just going to do one of them. I'm going to try this one right here. And it says add item. So I guess right here you can list what's inside it. I'm going to say junk. I'm going to put junk in this. Oh, we can actually take pictures as well, which I'm not going to take any pictures right now. We can adjust the quantity for junks. I guess let me change that name from junk to gloves. Yeah, so we'll have 4 pairs of gloves in there. UPC, well, that's not necessary. And we'll just go ahead and save that. All right, so I have gloves. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this sticker right here and put it on a tote and test it out to see if it works. All right, so now all I have to do is basically go in the Tote Scan app and search for an item and it will tell me which bin it's in. So let's see, I added gloves. I'm gonna search for gloves. And yeah, it does show me that it's in tote RJKR5 and RJKR5, so it matches. What I'm gonna do now is basically just add, put a bunch of stickers on and then give it the ultimate test to see if it actually works the way how it claims it does. All right, so I'm gonna add these things in. All right guys, before we go on, I have to tell you that I believe you can get these in 2 different amounts. This I got was 5 sheets of 9, which is 45, I believe. And I know there's like some more increments you can get them in if you need that many. This is the smallest amount I could get because I only have a few, you know, not a lot of totes. So this package works best for me. And like I said, it'll be in the description below. I scanned 4 totes and added them. So now I'm gonna go ahead and test it out to see if it actually worked. All right, so I added toys in 1 tote and let's see what it brings up. There you go. So it brings it up and it says that it's in tote XMBTQ. I already forgotten, I just did it. Oh, yeah, XMBTQ. So 2Q. So let's double check, and it also has a picture that I can look at. There's a picture. Let's pull it out and see if it matches. Yep, there you go. That's perfect. So there you have it. There you have it, guys. That's how I set up my garage for it to be more efficient and maximizing space and storage and whatnot. So there you go. Also, since you're here, that means you're probably working on your garage. And every garage needs some good lights. If you'd like to see how I did install these lights, where I got them from, just go ahead and check this video out over here or wherever it's at. It's gonna be on the screen somewhere. Check that out and see you in the next one. Boom.